So that's where you went.
Hell yeah.
It only took 5 minutes. Well, he acts like he had a long list of stuff to do. That's gas too. Damn.
She's gay.
Yeah.
Is it Stylo? I'm not K-Rob.
Huh? Dude, that girl from Raglan. Bro, her teeth is messed up.
Mariah, she texted me and I ain't finna text her back.
Text you right there?
That was really good. Yeah, she texted me. She said, hey, and
Oh, that's the girl you was talking about? That was before that said you. Oh, that's the girl you was talking about before that said, dude, you're ugly, how you gonna be dry with me?
No, she never said that.
No, I'm talking about, you said that. You was like,
Yeah.
it's not so much, it's just when she opens her mouth.
Sean told me she had like 2 rows of teeth.
Yeah, she got 4 teeth just in her gums. Right back here. She was just here, I saw it. Yeah, it's like, they're back there in her gums. It's 4. 2 in the
How
front.
does that happen?
I don't know, but the doctor said it's nothing. She said the doctor said there was nothing they could do.
You can't pull it. I think she'll bleed to death.
Yeah, that's what, after Aaron, I said, Ariana said when she tried to pull him, it hurt too bad. And I said, I don't think you could do that anyway. It's like in your mouth.
She's a beast, girl. She knocks the fuck out of that dog.
Yes. Both coming and going.
I ain't going.
She needs to come play here.
I ain't trying to get you a look right now, but I'm just.
Yeah, it just made me. Now I feel.
She said, "Boop."
I hate it when y'all spend that much time together. I said I hate it when.
That's when I was like, walking.
Yeah. I said I hate it when y'all spend that much time together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like, cause I know y'all. Every year it happens, y'all get reconnected. Y'all was fighting last night.
I know. We was outside talking for the longest.
I know what y'all was doing out there, but
She told me to call her, but the only reason I didn't call her because Brianna called me.
huh?
Brianna called me. That fuck shit I was talking about.
Oh. So she didn't call you?
Huh?
She didn't call you?
Nikki?
Yeah.
She told me to call her and be talking some more about it.
See what I mean? Really? You go, what? Like you don't know what I'm talking about.
No, I was like,